Hello traders and investors, my name is Mauricio Larios, and I am a retail trader who has actively been stock trading since 2016. I am not your financial advisor. Nothing in my videos is a recommendation to invest or trade. However, I have found an edge in the market to make me consistently profitable. I share my personal strategies, trading techniques, and watch list on my channel for educational purposes. For this video, I will use my margin account from my $2,000 small account challenge I started at the beginning of this year. As you can see from my cost basis, last month I made a modest 7% realized gain. However, I have several trades that have yet to show profit. If you appreciate the transparency and would like to see weekly trade recaps to better understand how I manage my trades, please comment below. Today I will cover my watch list for October 2021. In the spirit of Halloween, we are in for a spooky October market. With the debt ceiling deadline of October 18 around the corner, the Fed asset purchase taper nearing, and followed by the possibility of a rate increase, we are set for further volatility. With this volatility comes opportunity. Today I will discuss what opportunities I see in the short term. The Merck news of its antiviral pill, which has reportedly shown to cut COVID-19 hospitalization and death in half, gave the market enough reason to pivot from its decline. However, the market range swings have been about a month in duration. I see a short-lived rally followed by more volatility due to the uncertainty brought by the debt ceiling and upcoming Fed announcements. For this reason, I will be trading the range zones with SOXL and its inverse SOXS on the 30-day 1-hour chart. Aside from the semiconductor triple leverage ETFs and day trade opportunities that hit my low float scanner, I will also be watching 2 swing trade setups this month. Here's the first one. My technical price support play is NAKD. Ticker NAKD, or Naked Brand Group, is an intimate apparel and swimwear company. While the company still has a negative profit margin, its revenue trend is improving. However, this is not the reason why I am looking to trade this stock. A recent catalyst almost doubled its share price at the end of September. The chairman and CEO, Justin Davis Rice, discussed plans to find a partner in a merger or acquisition. In the Benzinga newsfeed, we see where the CEO announced the company believes it has found an opportunity in the clean technology sector. The news triggered a substantial move. The price has currently found support on the 30-day 1-hour channel. I will be looking to buy around 60 cents and to sell around 81 cents. My next trade is a trade I am willing to dollar cost average into. This is ticker symbol MMAT. Metamaterials is a ticker symbol I have featured before on my channel. It is a developer of functional nanocomposite materials in the 5G, aerospace, and clean energy sector. Metamaterials has recently had 2 contracts via Nanotech Security Corp. from the U.S. Bureau of Engraving and Printing, worth a combined $6.9 million. The stock has been trending on support on the 30-day 1-hour channel. I will be looking for an entry at $5.40 with a target of $7. In my opinion, this stock has a strong foothold in the technology sector and a higher future valuation. I have no problem dollar cost averaging with MMAT if the price drops further. I will hold until profit. That does it for my watch list. Remember, everything expressed on this channel is research for my personal trades. In order to have conviction in your own trades, it helps to do your own due diligence. If deprecating factors arise in any given stock, I will cut my losses. Manage your own risk as you see fit. If you found this video helpful, you can support this channel by hitting that like button, subscribing, or picking up some merchandise at the Trade Profit storefront at Teespring through my link in the description. As always, best of luck in your trading. Remember, together we can find the trade, manage the risk to make the trade profit. Thanks for watching.